What are the benefits of using credit card when buying? In today's modern society, credit cards have become an integral part of our financial lives. These plastic wonders provide us with convenience, security, and a myriad of benefits when making purchases. Understanding the advantages of using credit cards can help us make informed decisions and maximize our financial potential. Here at Shoppiverse PH, we will explore the various benefits of using credit cards and how they contribute to our overall financial well-being. 1. Convenience and security. One of the primary benefits of using credit cards is the convenience they offer. By eliminating the need to carry cash, credit cards make transactions more efficient and hassle-free. Whether you're shopping at a local store or making online purchases, credit cards provide a cashless alternative that simplifies the payment process. Online shopping, in particular, has revolutionized the way we buy goods and services. With credit cards, we gain access to a vast array of products and services from around the world. The global accessibility offered by credit cards allows us to explore and purchase items that may not be readily available in our local area. Moreover, credit cards offer enhanced security measures, especially when making online transactions. Advanced encryption and fraud detection systems protect our sensitive information and reduce the risk of identity theft or fraudulent charges. By using credit cards, we can shop with confidence and peace of mind. 2. Purchase protection and insurance. Another compelling advantage of using credit cards is the protection and insurance they provide. Credit card companies understand the importance of safeguarding their customers' interests and have implemented various policies to combat fraud and protect consumers. In the unfortunate event of fraudulent charges on your credit card, most companies offer zero liability policies. This means that you won't be held responsible for unauthorized transactions, provided you report them promptly on the bank. The quick resolution of fraudulent charges ensures that your financial well-being remains intact. In addition to fraud protection, credit cards offer purchase protection. Many credit cards extend the warranty on eligible purchases, offering an extra layer of coverage beyond the manufacturer's warranty. This benefit can be particularly valuable for expensive electronics or appliances. 3. Rewards and benefits. Credit cards offer enticing rewards and benefits that can enhance our purchasing power and provide additional value. Cashback rewards, for instance, allow us to earn a percentage of the purchase amount back. This can be redeemed for future purchases or applied as a statement credit, reducing our overall expenses. Travel rewards are another popular perk offered by credit cards. These rewards programs allow us to accumulate points or miles that can be redeemed for flights, hotel stays, or car rentals. Furthermore, credit cards often provide travel-related benefits such as upgrades, access to airport lounges, or even complimentary travel insurance. Retail rewards and discounts are also common features of credit cards. Many credit card issuers partner with merchants to offer exclusive offers and discounts to cardholders. By taking advantage of these partnerships, we can save money and enjoy added benefits when shopping at our favorite stores. 4. Building credit history. Using credit cards responsibly is an effective way to establish and build a credit history. By demonstrating responsible borrowing habits, such as maintaining low credit utilization ratios and making timely payments, we can establish a positive credit profile. A good credit history opens doors to better financial opportunities. Credit card users with a strong credit history are more likely to be offered higher credit limits and lower interest rates. This can result in significant savings over time, especially when applying for loans, mortgages, or other financial products. Additionally, a positive credit history is essential for those who want to rent an apartment, lease a car, or even secure a job. Landlords, car dealerships, and employers often review credit reports to assess an individual's financial responsibility and trustworthiness. 5. Budgeting and financial management. Credit cards can be powerful tools for budgeting and financial management. They provide detailed statements that allow us to track our spending habits and identify areas where we can make adjustments. By reviewing our credit card statements, we gain a comprehensive understanding of our expenses and can make informed decisions about our financial priorities. Many credit card companies offer budgeting tools and apps to help users manage their finances effectively. These tools provide visual representations of our spending patterns, allowing us to set budgets, categorize expenses, and receive alerts when we approach our spending limits. By utilizing these resources, we can stay on top of our financial goals and maintain control over our expenses. Credit cards also serve as a safety net during emergencies or temporary financial setbacks. Unexpected expenses can arise at any time, and having access to a credit card can provide us with the necessary funds to cover these unforeseen costs. Additionally, credit cards offer a buffer in cash flow management, allowing us to bridge the gap between income and expenses when necessary. 6. Enhanced purchase power. Credit cards grant us flexibility and various payment options that enhance our purchasing power. With interest-free grace periods for repayment, credit card users can defer payment for a specified period without incurring any interest charges. This feature allows for better financial management and more time to organize funds for repayment. Furthermore, credit cards enable us to make significant purchases without immediate cash on hand. This can be particularly advantageous when buying expensive items such as furniture, appliances, or even a dream vacation. By utilizing credit cards for these purchases, we can divide the cost into manageable installments and ease the financial burden. Moreover, credit cards act as emergency funding in unexpected situations. Whether it's a medical emergency or an urgent home repair, having a credit card readily available can provide us with the financial flexibility to address these unforeseen circumstances promptly. 7. Financial tracking and expense reports. Credit cards offer detailed expense records that simplify financial tracking and provide accurate expense reports. Monthly statements provide an itemized overview of all transactions made with the credit card, making it easier to track and categorize expenses for budgeting purposes. Moreover, credit card statements serve as consolidated reports that can be used for tax purposes. By having all your expenses documented in one place, you can simplify the process of calculating deductions or preparing your tax returns. This streamlines financial management and ensures compliance with tax regulations. Furthermore, credit card statements provide valuable data for analyzing spending patterns. By studying your transactions, you can identify areas where you may be overspending or uncover opportunities for cost saving. This analysis can help you make informed decisions about your financial priorities and identify potential areas for investment. In summary, credit cards offer a multitude of benefits that go beyond simple convenience in purchasing. They provide security, protection, and a range of rewards and benefits that enhance our financial well-being. By using credit cards responsibly and taking advantage of the various features they offer, we can enjoy convenience, build credit history, and manage our finances effectively. However, it's crucial to exercise caution and practice responsible credit card usage, considering our individual financial circumstances and priorities. With proper understanding and prudent decision. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.